down right here. Like you're having, like you're licking around. All right, here's the actual final product. If you guys can see now, on the chair itself, there's actually two spots for either your drinks, your phone too. So that's a great thing that on this thing. Now to put it together, you're gonna have to fold it, hug it together, tilt it to the bottom, and you're gonna have to wrestle the strings to tie each other up, right? So let's do that. Now once we got it tied, there's a Velcro right here. Just tie it down. The Velcro goes all around. That means that you're ready to actually put this thing away once the Velcro touches. All right, now this thing, we got it out here because of our dogs. We use this as a mat in the car too, but today we're actually gonna set it up on the side. On the corner, close it up. There's one right here. One snaps. Two snaps, and then the last one. The last one, and then you're ready. I like that it has a carrying bag here, so you can loosen it up. Take it anywhere you want to go. It's about maybe like close to 10 pounds, but it's not that bad. I hope you guys enjoy this video.